New challenge today, boys. The person who can stay silent the longest will win $1 billion.
I already have that, but I may as well top up, I guess.
This should be easy. I sit in silence and stare at a wall for like 3 hours most days.
The hell?
The challenge starts now. You're no longer allowed to talk.
Does that include verbal noises?
Ooh, Donald, it looks like you failed already. That's sad.
Damn it!
Loser.
Talking includes heckling, George. It looks like you're out too.
Aw, darn.
It's down to you two, Joe and Barack. May the quietest man win.
Look at Joe. He's definitely going to crack. I got this.
Barack doesn't understand how great at staying silent I am. He's going down.
What's the difference between a time machine and a phone? Sure, I can't literally go back to the past, but I can watch memories and stuff from the past with full objective clarity.
Oh my God, the ice cream truck is coming.
Joe talked. Let's go. I win.
Congratulations, Barack. Here's your prize.
Why the hell would you blurt that out, Joe?
I couldn't hold my excitement, Don, because where there's an ice cream truck, there's also two of my favorite things, ice cream and chill.